Oh, really? What else? What else do you think about it? Oh. And then what? And then what happened? Oh, really? I didn't know that. I never knew.
That's news to me.
You sliding down a little
That's
bit?
news to me.
Man, you're teaching us so much, Caleb. What's that? What's that? He's like, guys, I'm sliding off the pillow. Zoning out a little bit, thinking about it. Thinking about these hiccups. Look at these little feet in there. These little feet. There's lint in this little foot. There we go. Look at those little toesies. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's a lot of stimulation this morning. He's zoning out right now. Taking a little mental break. Thinking about it. Thinking about it. You've given us a lot to work with here. What are you thinking about, Caleb? Oh man, I thought we were done those hiccups for a second. Look at those big eyes. Have you ever seen such big eyes? Oh.